Hi, I'm Tracy Lynn, and I want you to move your body for 14 minutes and 20 seconds. That's it, to a flat band workout. Strength, cardio, core stability, featuring functional compound movements. Moving your body in this way allows for a shorter, effective workout. Really important, if you haven't watched that video that I put together that explains resistance bands so you can use them safely and effectively. There's a learning curve to these, and these are not straightforward like free weights. You manipulate these on how resistant you want them to be. Modify the movements where you need to, go at your level, listen to your body, where you are today. Challenge yourself where you can, as long as you can keep that proper form. With that said, be sure to watch that video and get those proper form basics down. I also don't include warm-ups and cool-downs in most of my workouts, but I have a warm-up video, which I recommend you do, and I have a cool-down video, which I also recommend you do afterwards. So this is a full body fusion flat band workout, 14 minutes, 20 seconds. We've got 8 moves, 3 groups. First group, 3 moves, we'll do those twice. Second group, 3 moves, we'll go through those and then do them again. Third group, 2 moves, twice. 35 on, 20 seconds off. During that rest time, I'll explain the next movement. Okay, flat bands. We've got a large one, which I will be using. We got a medium one, and we got a small one. I will be using probably the large and the small. Like small for the arm raise type things, and the larger one for the other movements, as you will see. So I'm also going to throw on this hip band, which I love, to just get that double time work in the glutes. This is the booty band, and this equipment is linked down below in my description. The stuff that I use and highly recommend. We are going to be on our bum. On our bum. Let's put those down there. And then I'm going to start that clock. This is what it looks like. We'll be hitting the abs. We're getting it all. We're going to crunch it in. I'm going to choke up on this, again, like the video shows you, to get more resistance, more stretch on the band. I have the large band. We're going to row it. Arms stay in by the body, shoulder blades squeeze back, crunch it out. Keep that chest up, tighten those abs. That is our first move. I need a mat, actually. Breathe, crunch it out, and in. Pull back and squeeze those shoulder blades together. Make sure you have enough resistance. I wouldn't want to make this any tighter. I'd want to double up the band if I want this more resistance. You don't want to put too much pressure on these. Again, that video, you need to watch it and learn about these. You can do this workout anywhere, pretty much anywhere. Next move, we're going to go up and get our upper back rear delts, okay? Turn this way a little more. So you'll start up. You're going to lower your legs down, get more abs, just like this. Squeeze those shoulder blades together. And we are getting ready to start. Start up, down, squeeze, chest up, squeeze. I'm just doing a crunch. Straight legs with a slight bend to your knees. You can do the crunch too if you want to. Modify wherever you want to. It's your workout. Squeeze those shoulder blades together. Really get that upper back strengthened. That's what keeps you straight up. Really getting the arms. Getting it all. Okay, next move. We're gonna hold this in, just like this. We're just going to do some more raises, just like that. Okay, are you ready? Let's go. Hold it in, then get the isometric hold there on the arms. Just raise it up. Kind of lean back too much. Put your feet down to the ground if you need to. Put your heels down if it's too much. Getting into the biceps, holding it like this. Seconds. 3, 2, 1. Okay, we'll repeat those quickly. Okay, so I really would probably get that blue, the lightest one, and double it up with this red one to make it a little more resistant for me. Because I am putting a lot of stretch on this, but it's okay. Crunch it out and in. Chest is up, shoulder blades squeezing back. Just really squeeze those shoulder blades, really get those muscles strengthened back there. Get in the arms, abs. You're working your legs too doing this. Everything. Breathe. All the way back. See, on these, with the bands, you're controlling the motion both ways. Center and eccentric. Finish it. Okay. Now we have those upper back, rear delt pulls. And ready? Start with the legs up. And we are about to go. Shoulder blades back. Up and down. Down when you pull. To make it a crunch, you keep your legs straight out like this. Both are good. Squeeze it back. Keep the tops of your shoulders down out of your ears, away from your neck. Not good. I'll talk about that in my proper form video. Okay. Now we're going to hold that isometric hold for the biceps and do more leg raises. And then we're done with that first group. Hold it. Are you ready? Hold it. Back. Put your heels down if you need to. This is just a quick turn to workout, perfect for a hotel room, on vacation before you go out and sit by the pool and have snacks and a margarita or something. Yeah, you gotta work out if you're doing that stuff. Best time to work out. Every time is the best time, but on vacation you should still make sure you are moving your body with exercise for sure. Because you're eating and drinking more than you normally would, most likely. Okay, next move. Oh, I gotta hurry. We're up now. We're up. This is a stationary squat down. Under the feet like this. Oop, let me scoot back. Stationary. Shoot. I did that wrong. Bear with me. Woo. Okay, hold it down. Chest press, just like this. Hold that squat down. Just pressing it out. Couldn't get it together fast enough. If you need to come up, come up. Otherwise, hold that stationary squat down. You're squatting down in your heels, not forward, back in your heels. Got that anterior pelvic tilt. And then you sit back in your heels, just like I talked about in the proper form video. Okay, okay. The next set on that one will be better. Squats with bicep curls. This is what I was trying to do. You're going to squat it and bicep curl. Just like that. Elbows stay in, chest is out, abs are tight. Sit back in those heels. Keep those abs nice and tight. Sit back in your heels. Line those knees up. Always, don't let them fall in. Especially with this hip down, it's trying to push my legs in. That's the point of it. You push against it. Get that double time work in there. Keep those elbows right where you start. You're just moving your forearm. And you're breathing. Whew. These are challenging. Start light if you're new to these. Start with the lightest one and get used to them and work up to the heavier ones for sure. Okay, this is plie squat with horizontal triceps. You're just moving through your elbow joint, just like that, double triceps. Plie, plie. Oops. It's not a rear delt fly. Woo! Double tricep extension. Shoulder blades together, line those knees up. Okay, next move. Oh, let's get that chest press down this time. Okay. All right. Gonna hold that squat down as long as you can. Press it out. Sit back in your heels, chest up. Put this up on your upper back. Sometimes they roll up a little bit, that's okay. If I doubled this up, I would definitely be working harder. I can't choke up on this much more. I don't want to stretch it any more than this. Five seconds. Finish it out. Squats with the bicep curls. Going quickly. Right there, little past hip width. Elbows stay in, you're just moving the forearms. Choke up a little more. Try not to lean forward too much, just as long as you're keeping your spine straight. Sit back on your heels. See, I'm working on the way up and down. Concentric, eccentric. Total control of these. Very different from free weights. We're gonna lift our heels this time on the plie, okay? Like this. Just alternate, or just keep them up like this. There we go. Lift, if you can, or one at a time. I had to think about that. Coordination, a lot of coordination involved with using these and just my workouts with the multiple movements. So close to being done. You lift that heel. Okay, next move. Curtsy lunge. I'm gonna go to my right. I'm gonna put this, I'm gonna go lighter actually. Gotta hurry. Put this under. Gonna curtsy, lateral raise with your opposite arm. Curtsy, line the knee up, raise it up. Curtsy, actually both sides. I messed up again. What's wrong with me? Both sides. Lots to remember. Line that knee up. When I mess up in these workouts, you get to see it because it's too hard to edit with the timer. It'll throw everything off, so get to see all my bloopers. Other side, put it under the other foot that's not moving. You'll go curtsy to the front that time. Okay? Curtsy to the front. Get into those shoulders. One more of each of these, and we're finished. Quick, effective workout. Gotta have that strength training. And as you can see, my heart rate's up. It's cardio, multiple muscles. Okay. It's all about those multiple muscle compound movements. I love it. Okay, stop talking. All right, other side, back to the lateral raises. I love the glute band, but even without it, you're getting a good glute leg workout. Short, sweet, effective. Five seconds. One more move. Keep those shoulder blades together when you squeeze up. Always, always, always have those shoulder blades together, even when you're not working out. Everything, chest is up, abs tight, shoulders together, all the time. Okay, other side, raising to the front. Oops. This is it. You did it! 14 minutes, 20 seconds, flat bands, and hip band if you chose it. Love it. If you like this workout, or even if you did, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. That's the only way you'll know every time I work or I upload a new workout video. And I'll do that once to twice a week for you. Comments are welcome. And please share my workouts, my channel, on or off of social media. That would be great. Let's get everybody moving. So download my workout log, my weekly workout log. Very effective, especially for you beginners. Download reasons why you should be moving your body, the strength training, the exercise, and all the benefits. So those are below, all the videos I mentioned. Everything's down below. So thank you, and enjoy the rest of your day or night, wherever you are. Take care.